Hey guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Block Blast tips and tricks. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be new to Block Blast here, or you're just starting out and playing Block Blast, or you've just started playing, or you've already been playing Block Blast here and you're not improving. Well, there are a few things that you need to consider and you need to remember whenever you're playing. Now, the first tip that I could give you here is to make sure to plan ahead. Now, planning your next move here is really important because in this case, this will actually determine how you adapt to certain situations. Like for example, I have the following blocks right now that I could use. Now, since I have the very long one here, I'll first want to start using that because in this case, this shape here is in this case, if you position it in some way that doesn't actually help you near in the future, this will actually affect your whole gameplay later on. So make sure to plan ahead. So make sure to basically strategize where to put this. So in this case, if I put it in here, it will give me opportunity to add, or in this case, add furthermore or other blocks in here. But if I position it in this case, it's going to actually minimize the amount of shapes or blocks here that I need to fill up. Because again, it's going to be a solid rectangular shape right now. So again, first you need to plan ahead. Next thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that you leave gaps or minimal gaps as much as you can. So make sure whenever you're adding shapes here, like for example, let's add this block here, you're not leaving in or leaving, like for example, weird shapes. So just give an example, maybe for example, I want to position it in this way. So this will not help me later on. So it will be based on your luck whenever you when you actually fill this up. But since I'm quite lucky here, I could actually get the shape here, put it underneath, and I will be able to survive later on in the game itself. So in this case, make sure to leave as low or as less gaps as you can here. So fill out all the weird shapes that you see here and make sure that you fill out the whole or have a whole section at least. Now, another thing that you need to remember here, the whole goal of the game here is to basically clear your board. Now, in this case, if you're just clearing the one-liners in here, this will not help you. So make sure to clear a lot of space here whenever you're playing. So just to give an example, maybe I want to position this in this way. So in this case, when I use this one, it's going to help me a little bit here, but then again, it doesn't necessarily give me a lot of points. The more, or in this case, the more you clear blocks here, the more it will actually give you more points. Now, since I can only clear one, in this case, one line here, it will give me that point, but again, it will not be a lot. Now, maybe I want to position it in this way, and from here on, I want to basically adapt. So as you can see, since I just put random shapes out there, it will not help me. I will not be able to add a shape here. So make sure that you actually plan ahead. So in my case, maybe I want to position it somewhere here and maybe somewhere here. Now in this case, again, this will not help me and it's going to say no space. Again, you need to plan ahead. So just that small mistake out there actually lost me the game. Now, another thing that you need to remember here is to clear a lot of space. So make sure to clear a lot of blocks here to basically help you. Like for example, this one, it's going to clear a lot of blocks here and it's going to give me more points. But yeah, and finally, the last tip that I could give you out here is to basically just start playing the game. The more you play the game, the more you get experience and the more you'll have experience on where to put certain spaces. Like in my case, I could put this in here, I could put this in here, and I could just basically add it in this way. So I could basically rapidly play, since I could rapidly add shapes as much as I can. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.